Is your morning routine leaving you feeling drained instead of energized? Aching joints, sluggish focus, dull skin. Sometimes even your first cup of coffee can't get you feeling like yourself. When your body doesn't get enough healthy fats or collagen, energy crashes become normal. Skin loses its elasticity, joints feel older than they should, and mental clarity fades. And the worst part? You keep pushing through, even though your body is asking for real support. Meet your new morning upgrade, MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Collagen MCT Creamer Vanilla. With grass-fed collagen for joint, skin, and hair health, plus MCTs for clean, sustained energy and sharper focus, this isn't just a creamer, it's fuel for your entire day. And the silky smooth vanilla flavor makes your coffee taste amazing. Turn your everyday coffee into a powerful wellness ritual. Visit drnicolemd.com to learn more and get your Collagen MCT creamer because you deserve a healthier, stronger, more energized start to your day. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals. Wellness that fits right into your cup.